I bought this Echo Show on Amazon's Prime Day, July 15, 2019, but the sound would not work. Alexa could understand me, but not answer. She would just stare at me. Have you had your Amazon Echo Show go soundless on you? Well, turns out if you unplug for about 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plug it back. Here you'll see the Echo Show rebooting in double time to save time on this video. Alexa, play Ed Sheeran.
Shuffling songs by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me.